Today, I'm going to show you how you can... Today, I'm going to show you how you can create a free teleprompter apps through... So, if you are like me, who are just starting out on YouTube journey, you definitely have this kind of problem when you are facing the camera. So, in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the best 100% free teleprompter app that you can use on any device to help to make your video much more professional. Hello everyone, welcome back to Cheapo Review. My name is George. So, the teleprompter app that I'm going to share today is the Elegant Teleprompter. So, this is a completely free to use teleprompter app. Although it contains some ads, but the ads are quite manageable. It only shows you one ad when you start your script. So I would say it's really fair since they are free, right? In my opinion, this is the best free teleprompter software that you can use on any device. Seriously, with this, there's no need to buy a teleprompter. You basically have a full-fledged teleprompter for free. The first step is to download Elegant Teleprompter from their Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you've installed the software, you can start creating your script. The free version of the Elegant Teleprompter allows you to create unlimited script and allow you to import your script directly from the text file. So you can just write your script in the smartphone. Or for me, I will write the script in my PC because that's more convenient and then paste it in Notepad and import it into this app. This is way more faster and way more efficient for those who want to use it regularly. So it has all the functions that most free teleprompter app has, like the customization of scrolling speed, text size, color, mirror, flip function and more. It actually also supports speech recognition, but that is only available in paid version. So I'm not going to cover that here, yeah? Because I'm a cheapo. I want things for free. If I can get it for free, I'll get it for free. What I think is the most useful free feature of Elegant Teleprompter is the support of floating window and remote control. For floating window, this is very useful if you are using your smartphone as your main camera. You can just shrink the app into a small window and then open up your camera app. And then you will have your script beside you while you are recording. You can even rotate the script, so you can use this to shoot vertical and also horizontal video. While for those who have a dedicated camera like me, if you use smartphone as a teleprompter, the common issue that we face is the camera and the teleprompter are usually very far away from us. So it is almost impossible for us to control the speed of the script or rewind the script without walking back and forth. This is where the remote control function really shines. Basically, you can connect a wireless keyboard controller or another smartphone to your phone that you use as a teleprompter and control it from a distance. Like for me, I'm controlling my teleprompter using my keyboard. So if you have a wireless keyboard, you can connect it to your phone through Bluetooth. If your keyboard does not support Bluetooth function, you can use an OTG dongle to connect your controller to the phone. That will work as well. And once you pair up the device, open up the teleprompter apps, go to Settings, Remote Settings, then click on each option and set the hotkey. There you have it. Now you can control the teleprompter apps remotely. You can do this with another smartphone as well. You just have to download a free virtual Bluetooth keyboard and mouse app. So this is an app that will turn your smartphone into a remote control. Then you can pair it up with the phone that you use as a teleprompter and repeat the step. And ta-da! You can control it with your smartphone as well. Same things works for the other wireless controller as well, such as the PS4 controller. So feel free to try it out, yeah? In conclusion, Elegant Teleprompter is the best 100% free teleprompter app that you can use in 2023. It has all the basic features and also some advanced features like floating window and remote control for free. You can make your video production so much more professional and efficient. So download it today and start using it to take your presentation to the next level. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. I will see you on the upcoming video.